A full-stack web developer manages both the front end and back end of web applications. This means designing user interfaces and handling server-side operations, offering a complete development experience. To become a full-stack web developer, start with HTML and CSS for web page structure and design. JavaScript adds interactivity. Master version control with Git and GitHub. For front-end, learn React.js or Angular, and use Bootstrap for responsive designs. On the back end, Node.js with Express.js, Python with Django, or PHP with Laravel are essential. Understand databases like SQL for structured data and NoSQL like MongoDB for unstructured data. Learn to create RESTful APIs for front-end back-end communication. Familiarize yourself with DevOps tools like Docker and CI/CD processes. Develop problem-solving and communication skills for effective teamwork. Begin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics. Create small projects such as a portfolio website. Progress to front-end frameworks like React or Angular. Explore back-end frameworks like Node.js or Python, Django. Build a project integrating front-end, back-end, and databases, implementing RESTful APIs. Mastering these skills will set you on the path to becoming a full-stack web developer. Stay consistent and practice regularly. Success comes with dedication. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.